The ECM current switch is designed for no-go run detection on electronically commutated motors, featuring a high-resolution adjustable turn-on set point to ignore standby current and preventing false on-status indication. To begin installation, we'll verify load data for operating amperage. Move your scale dial to set your turn-on threshold appropriately for your application. Then set the dial so that your turn-on amperage is slightly higher than your ECM standby current. Before sensor installation, determine mounting location for the sensor near the conductor to be monitored, at least a ½ inch away from any uninsulated conductor. The sensor features a flexible iris, which allows the sensor to hang on a conductor if local codes permit. A bracket is also included for screw mounting or attaching to a DIN rail. When securing to a wall, use the bracket to mark where to drill. Wire the output of the sensor to a control panel digital input loop, not to exceed 30 volts, and tighten terminal to 3.5-inch panels. Then attach wire label. Close panel door and test by verifying operation reading on digital input by turning monitored load on and off. It is important to consider the quiescent or standby current draw of an ECM from onboard electronics. This standby current draw typically ranges from 250 to 500 milliamps and varies by manufacturer. It's possible the standby current can be enough to cause a sensitive current sensor to be in the on state even when the motor is not actually running. In order to prevent this, the sensor's turn-on current must be higher than the ECM standby current. Once installed, the motor stopped but powered on, verify the open LED is on. If the open LED is off, adjust the dial clockwise until that LED is on. Now turn dial counterclockwise until the closed LED is on. This is the turn-on amperage or approximate value of your ECM standby current. And finally turn the dial clockwise one more time till the closed LED is off, and continue clockwise only slightly to give a margin of operation between the on and off states. Leave the dial at this setting and you're done with the current sensor setup.